Hi guys, this is Sumit Kumar and today we will be seeing an extension of the previous video. In the previous video we have seen how to remember the codes for this calendar concept. In this particular video we will be seeing a few examples for a better understanding of the calendar concept. Now guys, for your reference I have written the codes for Jan to December here. These are the codes for a normal year and these are the codes for a leap year. Also guys, I have written the codes for the weekdays as well as the codes for the year 1 date. Now guys, I hope that you have seen my previous video and you have remembered well the concepts. Now going on with this video, I have taken two examples, that is 29th Feb 2020 and 19th Jan 1621. Now guys, initially I'll solve this example, then I'll go ahead with this one. So 29th Feb 2020, initially what I'll do is I'll divide this date 2020 into two halves, that is 20 and 20. So the year has been divided into 2020 and now here I'll write it as year 1 and then this one is year 2. Okay guys, now let's see how to solve this particular problem. We see this formula. The formula has date, month code, year 1 code, year 2, leap year divided by 7. Now for this 29th Feb 2020, I have this formula equals, first I'll put this 29. The date is 29. We don't have a code for date, so we'll write this 29 as it is. Then we have month code February. February has a code of 4 or 3. Now we see that 2020 is a leap year. Why? Because when we divide 2020 by 4, we get a remainder of 0. So since we have a remainder 0, so this is the leap year. So for February, we have leap year code as 3. Now 2021 year 1. Year 1 has a code. How to get the code for year 1? We will multiply year 1, that is 20 into 100 by 4. Now this again gives us a remainder of 0. We see that when remainder is equal to 0, the code is equal to 6. So we will be writing code as 6. Then we have year 2. Year 2 we will be writing as it is. Year 2 we will be writing as it is. Then we need to count the leap year. How to count the leap year? We will be putting year 2 by 4. Leap year is equal to year 2 by 4. What is year 2? Year 2 is equal to 20. So we write 20 by 4, that is equal to 5. So here we will add 5 and then this entire thing we will divide by 7. Now guys, when we see that this entire thing is divided by 7, we get 20 plus 29, that is equal to 49, 52, 58, 63. So here we have 63 by 7 and this leaves me a remainder which equal to 0. 7 9s are 63, so we have a remainder of 0. Now this 0 we will be looking in this weekdays code. So Saturday has a code of 0, so this will be equal to Saturday. So 29th Feb 2020 will be equal to Saturday, and guys you can check in your calendars if it is so. Now let us go ahead with the second example. Okay, so now we look onto our second example, that is 19th Jan 1621. Let me divide it. So we have our second example, 19th Jan 1621. Now again we look at this formula. Remember guys, this was a leap year, but here we don't have a leap year, so we will be using these codes and not these two. So we have this 19th Jan 1621. We look at this formula. The formula says initially we will have the date as it is, and what is the date? The date is equal to 19. Then Jan has a code, month code. What is the month code? Month code is equal to 1. We have 16th will be having the year 1 code. Here we will be having 16, 21. 16 will be year 1 and 21 will be year 2. We have these two parts. The year 1 code is equal to 16. So we have 16 into 100 by 4. This again gives me a remainder of 0. This gives me a remainder of 0. Now leap year. How to count the leap year? We need to have the year 2 part. So year 2 is 21 by 4 This again gives me a remainder of 5. 5 is the remainder here, 0 is the remainder here. So we have date as equal to 9, month code is equal to 1. Year 1 code we have remainder is 0, so the code for 0 is 6. Now year 2 code, year 2 doesn't have a code, so year 2 we will be writing as it is, that is this will be equal to 21, and then the leap year. What is the leap year? Number of leap years is equal to 5, and this entire thing we will be dividing it by 7. We know this is not a leap year, so we have followed this paradigm, and then we divided by 7, so we have 52 by 7, and then getting 52 by 7 we have a remainder, say 7 sevens are 49, so after getting 49 we have a remainder of 3, so this gives me a remainder of 3. Now this 3 will be looking into this weekdays. Tuesday has a remainder of 3, so this day will be Tuesday. So this is the way in which you need to solve this kind of problems. And guys, it's very easy to remember the codes. Please do watch my videos, and if you like this one, please do subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.